Hi, in front of me is TCL 10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how to set up Face Unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security. Then Face Key. Click Continue, enter your current login method, and tap Continue again. When you're done and you see 100% mark, tap Continue and decide if you wanna enable or disable this login method right away. So I will go with Turned On. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face recognition is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!